Every Jupiter has a wide range of options for customization. But a signature feature that comes standard on each model is top-of-the-line Teak Helm seating from Release Marine. With hand-sewn upholstery, epoxy-based finish, and an automotive poly top coat, these Helm chairs provide maximum comfort, beauty, and tough-as-nails durability.
The products we put on our boat says a lot about our company. For example, Release Marine Helm chairs. Release Marine has been in the business for a long time, mostly and primarily in the yacht and sportfish business. We were thinking, what can take our boats to the next level? Chairs was an easy and simple answer. These guys build a quality product with a marine grade finish that will last a very long time in a harsh saltwater environment.